In this video I want to talk about this TNT duplication based Quarry using the TNT duplication bug which I very recently showed, which works in 1.9 and also 1.9.1. So I basically put a Planck TNT duplicator. I put a TNT duplicator on a Planck machine and made it three-way, so a two-way Planck machine and a mechanism to push it in a third direction. And with this it can mine out an area of arbitrary size. So what we have right here are two control stations. This one just sends the Planck machine back whenever it arrives, and this one pushes this Planck machine one block in this direction when it sends it back. And this way this Planck machine will fly back and forth. It will duplicate this TNT block, so the TNT will get dropped down here, and if there are too many graphical glitches we can see, that it will mine out an area, and it will go infinitely in this direction. You can also put these two stations further apart, so when you have a wider strip, but it will take longer until it moves forward. So that's basically this contraption. I want to thank Pi for doing some research about the TNT duplication bug I recently showed, because he made some discoveries which were very helpful, including whales. I will link his channel, and I currently have nothing prepared to explain the TNT duplication glitch, so I will probably make another video about that at some point. So this is just about this particular Quarry. Something I should mention is that depending on how high you put it, it might not get down to bedrock. At the height I have currently put it, it does not get down to bedrock, and I just put it so high to demonstrate that the height really matters. The problem is not really that the blast resistance is too high, but the problem is rather that if you put the flying machines too high, then the TNT will explode before it can reach the ground, and then it won't be able to mine out everything. So if you put these things too high, then it won't be able to mine out the entire area, just most of the area, but at the same time you have to put them relatively high above the ground so they don't blow up themselves, because it can happen that maybe a TNT block gets launched back up, and you need to have them high enough so that they are safe and don't blow themselves up. So I won't say that this can take an entire perimeter. I mean, I could put them a few blocks down, and in a super flat world they would mine out everything, but in a normal overworld world they would probably only mine out 80 or 90% of everything, which is still quite efficient and quite fast compared to other methods to make a perimeter. But in a normal world you also have liquids, which make things more difficult, so I wouldn't rely on this alone if you want to make a perimeter, but this can mine out something like 90% of all the blocks, and removing the rest is then relatively trivial, I think. So yeah, that's basically this machine, and that's everything I wanted to cover in this video. Bye.